Good looking shot, and look at the timing, perfect. Oh, nicely flick the ball, racing away to the deep. Good looking drive once again, nice and straight down the ground. The ball coming right out from the middle and going. So the very first ball of Basuraj Madar, a wicket here. Pitch delivery picked up, but finds the fielder. Could that be a catch? And Chappu takes it. Good looking shot, elevation and the distance right. That's gone many a miles in there, and 100 up for Dempo Juniors. Shuffling across, what a timing. What an innovative shot from Keenan was. This time it will be a simple catch for Rajshekhar, and he grabs it. Oh, picked up beautifully. This time beats the fielder. The ball will race away, and what a way to come up. Flashy shot, but there is a fielder. The ball goes straight to him. Once again a good looking shot. Rajshekhar Harikant goes big this time. Oh, the third ball is a wicket. Oh, the ball is up in there, and this is the good looking shot, but there is a fielder. Will he cut it off? He will definitely do, and 1 runs falling short of, and Dempo Juniors are through to the semi-finals. Congratulations. Oh, straight to the fielder this time. Once again cautioning the wind, but this time finds the fielder. Oh, picked up beautifully. The timing was exquisite. 1 bounce to fence. Beautifully worked, and oh, nicely picked up. Oh, once again playing straight to the fielder. The ball kept low and appeal and given. Oh, look at that. Oh, appeal, yes. Well bowled, beauty from Surya Divkar. Bowled him this time, breaking the defense of Amar. Oh, beautifully picked up. 1 bounce to fence. Once again, these run chase. The ball is racing and wins the race. Extremely good shot. Oh, beautifully done. Gets the distance right. Lofted shot, and that's it of the day. Yes, it is. Big congratulations for Nityanand Sports, and well played, Mayem Union.